In this video, we are going to see how we can view and see all comment history on TikTok. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. All we have to do is just move to our profile from the bottom right hand corner, and once you're in here, you can click on this three dots or three lines on the top right hand corner and head over to settings and privacy. Now, once you are in the settings and privacy, you would scroll down until you see the activity center in the content and display section. You just click on that. You might need to verify in order to get in there. And from here, we can see the search history, comment history, watch history, and all of the histories here. So let's say that we want to see the comment history. We click on that, and all the comments that we have received, we have commented to, will appear right here. And most preferably, this is the comments that you posted on specific videos. So you can see all of those history here. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.